Sage green is a beautiful and calming color that can be mixed using yellow, blue, white, and black paints. To create sage green, start by mixing 5 parts yellow paint with 1 part blue to make a bright grass green. Then with a clean brush, mix together 3 parts white and 1 part black paint to create a medium light gray. Combine the gray and grass green to get sage green, adjusting with small amounts of white or black as needed. You can also add small amounts of red to turn green into a shade of sage. Remember to add red 1 drop at a time to avoid overpowering the green. And use black sparingly as it can quickly darken the color. Experiment with different shades and proportions to find the perfect sage green for your painting or room. Enjoy the process of mixing colors and finding the shade of sage green that suits your liking.